What's up, everyone? Today, I'm about to show you something seriously mind-blowing. How you can start making hundreds, even thousands of dollars a day using just Google. Yes, you heard that right. And to prove it, here's a quick look at my earnings. Almost $1,000 after just a few hours of work. And the best part? It's passive income, meaning you can keep earning while barely lifting a finger. Imagine turning your free time into real cash without any special skills or big investments. All you need is Google and a bit of creativity. I'll walk you through every step from setting up your account to creating profitable ebooks and finding trending topics that are practically guaranteed to sell. And the reach, over 1 billion people, could potentially see your ebook for free. So if you're ready to build a real income stream using Google, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive.
This will blow your mind because I'm going to show you guys how you can earn hundreds, even thousands of dollars per day using Google. And here you can see my payment that I've got from this method. You can see I made almost $1,000 with maybe 5 or 6 hours of work. And this is going to build up passive income. So you can see $1,000 payment from this method. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. So first of all, you want to go on Google and type in Google Books Partner. And when you click on this first link, you're going to see the page that looks like this now. It is going to say reach new readers, sell more books. Now, I'm going to show you guys how you can go and create ebooks and sell them on Google. And you don't even need to have any special skill. I'm going to show you guys from start to the end how to do this. And while I'm showing you guys this, because you can reach new viewers of your ebook for free with Google, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it free, plus 1 billion people you can reach with this method. And it is crazy now when you arrive on this website, you want to click on sign in, on get or get started, and log to your Gmail account. Now there are 3 publisher types right here. You can start with publisher, self-published author, or this third one. Now I'm going to click on self-published author. You can input your name right here. You can put your country where you're from. I'm going to input United States, and you can put your website, but it doesn't need to. You don't need to have a website for this method. And you don't even need to input your phone number now. When you click next, you're going to see, would you like to receive emails about this? I don't want to, and I don't want any feedback. I don't want spam emails. And you're done. Just click on I'm not a robot, and I agree. And you're ready to start making some money with Google now. Everything is great. We have become a book partner of Google, but now we need to create some ebooks. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do it now. First of all, you want to go on trends. Now this is a place where you can search for trends and see what is trending right now. So what are trending topics? You can click on trends, and they right here in the top corner, and see what is trending to get some ideas of what should input. You can see some high school because school has started yesterday. So there is over 500,000 search volume in the last 24 hours, which is crazy. Now you can see Dancing with Stars, that is 200. So this name national parks, 100,000. So you can see some spikes in searches in the topics that are happening right around the world. And I have imputed in the United States, but you can search for around the world. And what I personally like to do now, when I do a research, I like to do a research of what I'm interested in. So for example, I'm interested in artificial intelligence. So what I would personally do is I would search if it's trending right now. And of course, AI is trending. And now this is a per day, now past day, you can see if it's AI, if AI is trending, but you can see, for example, search for past 5 years, and you can see how AI from 2018 started to trending, and you can see the spike. So there is a huge interest in artificial intelligence right now. So what I would personally do is I would create some ebooks around AI and publish that on Google. So I personally did it. I have made some money now. Before I do any other research, I like to see if there are some ebooks in this niche, and I would come on Amazon and I would search, for example, for ChatGPT. Now that is basically most famous AI tool. And right here, we can see that some ebooks right here, this one has over 3,500 reviews, which means that it's sold probably around 35,000 times. So 35,000 copies times $12, that is around $400,000 in revenue. But you're not going to keep all the 400,000. There are some cuts. We're going to talk about that a little bit later. So when you click, for example, on this ebook, you can see the ChatGPT Millionaire. So make money online has never been this easy. So basically, and make money online ebook. And what I would do is I would find something that is trending. I would find for some examples if this kind of ebooks exist, and you can see I have did my research, and I have found that ChatGPT is a trending topic on how to make money online with ChatGPT. Next thing that I would do is I would go on, of course, ChatGPT. Now you want to go on OpenAI and click on Try ChatGPT. And you're going to see a page that looks like this now. This is a ChatGPT. And you want to see Explore Gaps right here. Now, this is really important. Explore Chaps now. If you don't see it, you're not logged in now. You need to create your free account. You don't need to pay for anything. Think everything is free. And when you're logged in, you can click on Explore Gaps. Now, here you want to input in kept search for ebooks, and it is going to pop up this ebook creator. I'm going to click on that. You can see I'm going to use this ebook creator. I'm going to click on Start Check right here so you can see I have opened this ebook creator. And what I would personally do, I would input the prompt right here, write a short 15 or let's say 10 to 15 page ebook on how to make money with ChatGPT or GPT Millionaire. I'm going to say GPT Millionaire and I'm going to press enter. Now what is going to happen is ChatGPT is going to create me full ebook on CH Millionaire. And you can see I'm going to get also chapters, I'm going to get outlines and all sorts of stuff. And I'm going to come back when it is done to show you guys the results. And you can see after a few seconds, we have got chapters, understanding chat G, P, T, 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 P, T, 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 P, T, T, P, book, monetizing, JEPT, challenging, and addings of AI enter scaling your AI-driven business, and so on. So this is a great chapters, great ebook for our idea. Now what I would do is I would say write each chapter, and you can see it started writing our chapters. You can see ChatGPT Millionaire Introduction. So we have a small introduction right here. You can also see it started writing chapter 1, Understanding GPT. We have this brief introduction to I and that, and around a few minutes later, let's say 5 minutes later, Chapt is going to finish our whole ebook that we can use to sell. After 2 minutes, our book is completely done. You can see every chapter is written, and I'm probably going to read this ebook because it has a lot of interesting information. Now what we can do is we can now compile this ebook to PDF. So how you can do that, at the end right here, say export this ebook in PDF format and click on enter. Now sometimes it is going to take a lot of time. You can see analyzing. So if you don't have time, if your computer is slow, what you can do is you can press, or I wouldn't press this copy button because it is going to input some weird elements. So what I would personally do is I would start with ChatGPT Millionaire and I would just select all this information inclusion. I would maybe even exclude this. I don't want to include this conclusion. So I would copy this whole text and I would go on Google Docs. So just go on Google, write Google Docs. It is free if you don't have any money to spend on Word or something like that. And you want to paste your whole ebook on Google Docs. And you can see all the chapters, great ebook, great information that you can now go and start selling. You can also add outlines. You can also add some of the information from above right here. You can also input all of these chapters. You want to input these outlines. Also, I'm going to copy that and I'm going to put this below and I'm going to paste all of this stuff because I want to have everything in one place. And just like that, we have created our first ebook that has a great information, as I said, that we can now sell to the people that actually need it. Now, what I would personally do is I would also check spelling of this ebook. Now, if you're not very good with grammar, I would use this website Reversal. I'm going to come on a grammar checker and I'm going to paste it and I'm going to click on check and it is going to check. You can see this free tool can start with only 300 character. So I'm going to start, for example, with this one, I'm going to click on check and see if I have any mistakes in my content. So you can see no mistakes detected and it shouldn't have any mistakes, because AI wrote it, and usually ChatGPT doesn't make any mistakes. And I want to show you guys also the bad side of ChatGPT. So you can see I said export this evoking PDF format, and it has got an error. So sometimes it is going to happen. You want to write export this ebooking PDF. But it is not a worry, because we're going to use this do file that it was created. You want to click on file right here, click on download, and you can just download PDF format like this. And you're going to have your ebooking PDF format on your desktop, so you don't need to worry. And you can also make the changes right here in your ebook. You want to check if everything is right. You want to maybe create some space. This is right here. And you want to maybe fix some parts that you don't like from this ebook. Now, when you're done with creating this, just click on file, click on download, click on PDF right here. And you're going to have your ebook in PDF file. Now, what we also want to use ChatGPT for is we want to say to create or give me prompt for the cover of this ebook. Going to say that because I want to generate the cover for my ebook. And I'm going to show you guys how this can be done so you can get some ideas. Cover design prompt, create an iKitchen cover for ebook titled Chad GP Millionaire. I'm going to copy this prompt, and I'm going to come on this AI tool called Ideogram. So this is a tool that generates images based on your prompt that you describe right here. So I'm going to paste my create eye-catching cover for an ebook tile Chat GPT Millen name, and I'm going to click on generate now. After a few seconds, we're going to generate our cover, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks like. And right here, we have generated some images, but personally, I don't like them. You can see GPT Millionaire, the first C, the second one. The third light, I don't like any of them. What I would do is I would say, for example, I'm going to use aspect ratio, this one right here. First of all, I can create public doesn't matter. I'm going to say create an eye-catching cover for ebook on chat. So I'm going to change a little bit. So I'm going to start with this scribe and going to input this first one aspect ratio. So this first one, you can choose also some other ones for other platforms, but I'm creating an ebook. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to say create an eye-catching cover for an ebook Chat GPT Millionaire. I'm going to leave as that, but I'm going to click on design right here, or maybe 3.C3D, how it looks like. I'm going to stick with design because I don't want create 3D format. And I'm going to click again on generate now. These ones are much, much better now. I'm going to click on my emails right here, and you can see Chad GPT Millionaire. You can see the guy, and it has some mistakes you can fix that if you want to see I really like this one, maybe. And this one is also nice, but I think the second one is great. Now, we can go and use same prompts a few times to find the right one for yourself. You can go and use upscale also to get some of the better quality images. And when you're done, when you find your right cover for your Chat GPT ebook, what you want to do is you want to download it, and now you're ready to post your ebook on Google. Now, how this works, you want to go and create an account on Books Partner Center. And once you're done, you want to publish your book. Next thing, you want to promote your book and encourage readers to purchase your book. What I would personally do is I would price my ebooks from $5 up to $15 now. Usually you can go with $10 or something like that in the middle. And there is also this fee. Now, Google is going to push your ebooks to as many as they can. And you can see for each sale, you're going to get a split of the revenue. So for example, for each $10 sale, you're going to keep only 70% of that, which is let's say $3 is going to be kept by Google, but they're also going to promote your ebook. So this is a great, great deal. And you can see you're going to get sales from 16 plus countries. So how this works, you start, as I said, you publish your ebook on Google Partners, you go and write as many as you can. You publish them, you get promoted by this great platform, and you get sales. Now, what you can also do is if you have a content, for example, I have YouTube videos on, for example, build passive income with ChatGPT. It has over 700,000 views. Now, you can't even imagine how many sales I would get if I inputted this ebook link right here in the description of the video. So I have over 28,000 people that like this video, and maybe let's say 0.1% would bought the book. So 700,000 times 0.1, that would be around, let's say 700 sales, which is, let's say, a 7 in just ebooks that I would get from this video. So you can see how easily this can add up. What you can also do is you can go and promote this way, because a lot of you guys don't have a YouTube channel with a lot of followings and a lot of views. So what you can do also is you can go with one click now. What you can do is you can input the topic. I'm going to say Chat GPT Millionaire. You can get some of the Chat GPT key. We already have them, so I'm going to click to skip to step 2 ideas. I already have ideas outlines. I already have outlines, so I'm going to stick with articles. So article Chat GPT Millionaire targeted keyword. I'm going to say GTP. How many words I would want? Let's say I'm going to stick with this one: introduction, conclusion. I'm going to leave that tone of voice, leave that, include images. I'm going to say, yes, I want images in my article, and I'm going to click on generate now. It is going to take some time to generate this article, and I'm going to show her this how it looks like. But before we do that, you want to go now on medium.com and you want to create your free account. So click on get started once you're logged in. And while our article is getting ready, you can see Medium is a place where you can go and post any articles and get a lot of views. Now, personally, what I would do is I would post something around ChatGPT. So that is why I could create an article about ChatGPT Millionaire. And just like that, one click has generated us article that we can go and now use with images on our Medium. So you can see right here, CHG, PT Millionaire introduction, and so on. So you can just go and copy this article and paste it to Medium. So how to create a Medium post. Once you create your account, click on write and input title, for example, how to make money with ChatGPT. And now we can just go and copy this whole text with images and paste it on TED Go Story right here. And once you go and create your article, you always don't want to forget to promote your ebook that you posted on a book partner center, and you just want to include the link at the end of the page, for example. Once you go and write your whole blog post, I'm going to use this one, for example, just to show you guys how it looks like. So once you go and post your blog post, what you want to do is you want to go and select some part or input at the end, click here to buy my ebook on how to become rich with GPT. And you want to go and select this text, and you want to click on link, and you want to paste your link right here, ebook, and that way you're going to get some small promotion from Medium back to your ebook. People are going to find your article, for example, very useful, and once they find it very useful, they're going to go and check out what you have to offer, and you have to offer this ebook from books partners. So that is how you can go and start your business around Chad, and also ebooks that are going to be published on Google and get you a lot of money.